Doggy Creek Bridge. Now that brake Odie spur track. Why don't we have a look at that? Let's go have a look. Yeah, I did this coming into winter a couple of years back. Yeah, I got to a big muddy hill. I turned back, actually stacked it coming back down. What do we got here? Little blue tyres. There's some nasty mud holes to get through. Wow, someone made that. Decent hill. We've just got to ride the ruts. Cool. I don't know where it comes out. And just between me and you, I don't really want to go back down that. Oh, nice. Should come out on Mount Robertson Road. Going under that, yep. Just clip your mirror. Oh, that looks like we're going uphill again. Sharp turn. Just get that bike over. Nice. Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, that'd be slippery when wet. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Aha. So we got gates that side, but we got this. Oh man, that was fun. I don't even think there's a sign. Seasonal road closure, but it was open the other end. God, I hope I got footage of that. That was awesome. Mount Robertson Road, brake Odie track, that's it. Brake Odie. Awesome. I don't know where I am now, we'll go this way. Whoa, wallaby. Look out, little fella. So if you follow the channel, you might remember this track. I had a look at it from this end. You go through a creek and then there was a big muddy hill. I rode around the long way, went up to the top and had a look at it, and it started getting really steep and I turned back. So we're going to have another look at it today. It's going to be a bit drier. We haven't had a lot of rain recently. What's going on here? Righto, I think we're going up that. Wow. Yeah, I don't remember that last time. Oh, far out, that's steep. This track looks like it's been here for a while though. Anyway, down we go. Wait there, let me put my visor down because I'm going through that tree. Oh no. Now I've forgotten what I've been saying. Yeah, these tracks change so much. So you actually have to ride through Boggy Creek, Little Boggy Creek I should say. Don't get them mixed up, there's a Boggy Creek as well. And then yeah, there was a big ass hill. So we haven't had a lot of rain for the last few weeks, just light showers, so it shouldn't be too muddy. But who knows. Yeah, righto, the creek's down heaps more than last time. That was up to, oh shit, where was it? The water was up here somewhere last time. Yeah, cool. Where do I go? A bit nervous now. Alright, let's go. Bloody hell, that was too easy. So I'm not sure how far down I came last time. Oh, that was pretty easy. Oh man. I know it's fairly dry, but that was easy. I probably said that before. Let me just check these cameras. We're going back down. That was too much fun. This is just like that for the rest of it. There's a few bloody ruddy bits, but nothing too exciting. You can watch my other video if you want to see what the rest of that track's like. Righto, let's see how we go downhill. Here we go for 2 fingers on the brake. I generally ride with 1 finger on the brake and 1 on the clutch when I'm standing. When I'm sitting, I usually have 2. Don't ask me why, but that's how it is. With anything downhill where I'm hard on the brakes, I use to. Get out of there, cross a little bit, it's better. Got my knees dug right into the tank supporting my weight. I just remembered that log I had to go around. Am I going to get through it this way? Yeah, we'll see. That could be tricky. Righto, last hill. Man, that's a big hill. Righto, hard on the brakes. Control my speed right from the top. You take off a bit and then decide to slow down. It's hard to stop. It's not a problem. Yeah, it's pretty dry. Nice. Nice. And back to the creek. It's all murky from when I come through before still. Well, it's deceiving, those creek crossings are much deeper than I was expecting. Now, where's that tree gone? See what I'm going to do, see if I can walk it up the rut, just see how that rear tyre grips. Not quite. Easy. Easy, easy. Slow up a bit. Righto, well that was Little Boggy Creek track, up and back down again. That's it, we're out. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.